Hi there, my name's Lucy, and this is just a really quick testimonial for the lovely Karen and the work and support that she's given me in my time working with her. Before I met Karen, I was really getting in my own way, if I'm completely honest. I had massive mindset blocks and I lacked a lot of confidence in my own ability. I had that feeling that I knew I could be doing so much more and achieving so much more, but I just wasn't doing it and I didn't know why. And it was because actually it came down to a lot of my own mindset and beliefs. And like I say, just not believing in myself. So working with Karen has done so much for me. It's actually been life-changing in many avenues because she's helped me to set healthy boundaries that give myself time, gives me time to progress and develop in my business, and also the beliefs I needed to push myself and my business forward to achieve my potential. Karen also works with so much heart and soul. Like, she's just so wonderful to work with. So I couldn't recommend her enough, and I can't thank her enough for all the work she's done for me, all the help she's given me. So Karen, thank you so much.